My circle ain't too bad, huh?
No, it looks so. It's tight.
It's the overly circle.
Yeah.
What up, people? We back. Appreciate everybody tuned in to the last video. It's dope. We back on the property. What up?
What's up?
And we're gonna be working on the driveway because, as you can see, get out the shadow. The people, when they come and do the roadway, it's just not. It won't work. The car won't get up on that. So we gonna smooth all that out. I got the other implement on the tractor, and we gonna see how far we can get with at least the entranceway of the driveway. That's a lot of dirt I was scooping up. I'm wondering if I could go this way first and knock a dent in it. Maybe, maybe not. It's all rocks. That's my fault.
One of your gloves is right here.
Okay. Other one on the ground over there.
Yeah, I get it.
That's a lot of rocks, huh? We trying to figure out how we want the driveway to be, and we thinking that from this entrance post that it'll go up and curve towards Jack's, or I guess make a straight line towards Jack's dwelling, and then maybe make a circle for a turnaround. As y'all can see in the video, I don't know what I'm doing with this box blade, but I'm gonna figure it out, and we're gonna see what we got to do with it. But so if we're walking straight from there and we come in, we can head straight for Jack, right? Or no?
Straight to Jack.
Straight for Jack, or we can head a little bit further out this way. I'll show y'all a little further out this way, and we walk it like we talk it, and then from here,
Watch the hole.
y'all remember this is where the fence and all of that stuff used to be, right up in here. So from here we can make it curve. The driveway will do its little curve and then make its way back around to the main driveway. I know this is hard to tell on video, but the house can sit, houses, I guess, we'll talk to y'all about that later, about what we decide to do, can fit right up in this area. So yeah, Jack's area, maybe parking, and then the houses, and then the rest of the space back there. And of course, it's so much space.
I think it'd be nice if you try to stay out as much as you can before you curve. That way, when you come in, like, you can actually just look and see everything. Okay, so if you're talking about the houses, the is going to be here, right? So when you look, everything is going to be facing this way.
Yeah.
Okay, so if everything's facing this way, I'm just saying, like, you know, when you drive on a street and you see houses, they're facing the street. So I'm saying if this could try to stay as straight for as long as possible before it curves, then do that. That's what I'm thinking.
But still curve, like in front of, in front of Jack's spot.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
All right. Hello.
Hello.
My circle ain't too bad, huh?
No, it looks so. It's tight.
It's the ovally circle.
Yeah.
It's actually looking like something. So you come in, you know that's not wide yet.
Right.
So and then this is also not going to. It's gonna do a little swoop around.
Yeah.
So it's not you come up and then you got to make a hard turn.
Right.
So this ain't even finna be there. It'll come around and do it'll cut that off.
Okay.
And then go back up. But I'm saying, what you think? Like in, around, out. All right, what you think? I mean, I'm gonna clean that out too. Let me switch these stakes out.
Okay.
And then I'll
switch them out. What do
or
you
push them, pull them up.
Okay.
You want to help me real quick?
Yeah.
You
Fourth
know?
hole.
Huh?
Fourth hole.
Yeah. We just want it all the way up.
Got it. Okay.
I'm tired.